Hello friends, welcome back. The previous session is about how to install Python, features of Python, features borrowed from other languages, and limitations of Python. Well, today's objective is what is an interpreter and compiler and how to work with Python. First of all, what is an interpreter? Interpreter is a software which translates high-level language program one statement at a time into machine code. On the other hand, compiler scans the entire source code and translates it as a whole into machine code. A source code is a program written in some computer language. Okay? Alright. Now, how to work with Python? There are two ways to run Python programs. One is interactive mode and second is scripting mode. In interactive mode, one can directly type commands in Python shell and the shell is going to return results immediately. Just a minute, I'll show you. Exit, just minimize this. My idle here. There is the Python shell. If I type 23, it will return 23. If I type hi, it will return hi. This Python shell is a very handy tool when we want to check how a particular command works or whether a particular library is installed or not. But it is not recommended for developing programs. The reason for that is if you did some sort of mistake in your program or if you want to rerun the program, then in both the cases you need to retype the whole source code. Okay, and the solution for that is scripting mode. In scripting mode, one can type program in any editor and then save it with .py extension and then run it. But I will be using only idle editor in my whole session. Okay, and the reason for that is the interface for this idle editor is same for Windows, Linux and also Mac OS. Okay, to run idle editor, just go to file, new, here's my editor. Just close this shell. Now I'm going to develop a little program here. Just creating a variable to create a variable. Just I want to create a. Now b. Now want to print the result. To print the result, just type print a plus b. Okay, anything that starts with this hash symbol is a comment in Python, and the interpreter is going to skip all those lines, but they are very, very, very helpful for we the programmers. They make programmers life very easy because they increase the readability of the program. Okay, and a good comment is just a brief introduction of what is going beneath it. Now to run the program, first save it, just name it, and in this idle editor I don't need to use this .py extension here because it is the default extension. That is also one of the reason why I'm using only idle editor. Okay, just save it. Yes. Now to run it, just go to run and run module, or simply press F5 key. Here is the result. Okay, just a minute. Now back to the slides. This is a very basic video of how to work with Python. Now that's it for today. Now thanks for watching. Now before you leave, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye. Cheers.